Carlos giving it to Jay. Another foul. And your penalty.
Taas kamay. Kanina pa.
Alam namin. Kami yung nakasulat dito eh. Focus ko dyan. Si Beach papasok. Dagdag lang daw si Beach, walang lalabas.
Beach, pagi mo na. Kevin! Kevin!
It's BJ. Carlo missed the free throw. Sayang free throws. Numer passing it to Wally. Wally getting it to BJ. Ay, hindi mataas si BJ. I think Pododoro will take Wally. Getting it to Beach, but getting it back. Beach, titira mo na. Ay, ayaw niya. Numer, the Dixie do is not good. Beach trying to get the ball. Beach rolling around. Wally for two. Dito na, may bayo na ito pa commentator ko. Carlo attacking. Carlo trying to foul again.
Personal.
Graduate ka. Ay, graduate. Warning.
Warning for graduation, Mr. Dupaya. Maaga kayong uwi ni Mrs. First free throw. Is good. Sereno, 1 point. Last free throw, may batang pumasok. Second free throw for Carlo Ferrer. Is good. Inbound. Wally inbounding the ball to Mr. Pododoro. Pododoro running. Pododoro surveying. Ayaw niya yung tap-tap. Di yung bakaw. Ayaw niya. Pasa niya kay Ferdy. Ferdy ayaw rin itira. Tinira pa rin ni Ferdy. 3, not good. Kita yung tulak, pare koy.
Loose ball.
Loose ball. Loose balls now. Two free throws yun, boss. 2 free throws because of that foul. Penalty with 6. With still 5 minutes remaining.
Bakit dumadagdag ka pa ng 6? Dagdag. Tawag sa'yo. Careless. Ito naman. Tanga agad iniisip mo, careless lang.
Ikaw nagsabi nung nagkagos.
Careless lang.
Advance ka eh, no?
Ano to? 2 free throws pa ba?
Wala yung una.
Last free throw for Arlo Dio. Free throw is good. Mahabol sa last. 7-point ball game with Pododoro dribbling the ball, giving it to BJ. The BJ attack. Not good. Calvin give it to Jay. Jay was blocked.
Tama na, sakit eh.
Dito sa committee, nagkakahiyaan pa dun sa isang siomay, ayaw kainin. May isang siomay pa dito, ayaw isubo.
Again, Lin.
Jojo, umiinom ng tubig.
Bili yung ba?
Billy, naghahanap ng mag-inbound. Billy, high blood. Billy getting to JC. JC attacking, 2-point, 2-step layup is good. We have a 5-point ball game. Porador. Porador, Calmagini. Porador, attacking. Porador. Turnover, Porador. Calvin. The layup is good. 3-point ball game. May kinakabahan na. PJ, I think PJ will take this. Porador, 3-point shot. Bang! Bumalik ang lamang sa 6. BJ, kunin mo raw yung balls. Paabutin mo yung BJ sa balls. Huwag mo iwan. Rebound by Wally. The other JC. Attacking, other JC. Right and blocked by Carlo. Jay not looking. Turnover by Carlo. Porador still. Porador attacking. Porador giving to 30. 30 sobrang libre. 3-point shot. Kaso, nag-celebrate sila si Jay. Mag-isa lang. Galit si Big. Galit si Big. Magalit si Big. First time ko makita mo, galit si Big. Nagalit si Big. Oh my God. Is there an eclipse? Pakalma yung switch. Lagyan niya ng ice sa buwanga. Jay, 2 free throws. First free throw is good. May buenas pa. Second free throw is also good. 7-point ball game. 30 getting the ball. Jay, tumira din siya ng press. Si Jay hindi nakashoot. At dalawa sa lang rebound. Calvin bringing down the ball, wearing a headband on his head. Giving it to Carlo, Carlo giving it to Arlo. Arlo and Carlo, they're running run. 10-second shot clock. Calvin almost losing it, giving it to Arlo. Arlo. Yeah, he was hugged. Jay was hugged. Who hugged? 7, 8, number 8. Kobe.
Taas kamay ha, pag ano ang foul, taas kamay.
Baka magtaas ng kamay.
Umamin ha.
Jay, first free throw is not good. At kayo nagpapababa dito ng senior. Kulang ba? Second free throw is not good. Porador running. Porador running. Porador stopping on the 3-point shot. Easy. Baby Burger. Assist from Porador. Arlo getting the ball. Giving it to Arlo. Arlo passing to JC. JC to Carlo. Carlo attacking. Carlo. 2-point shot. Porador for the rebound. Porador bringing down the ball. Porador calling a play. Porador giving it to Baby Burger. Baby Burger with the losing shot. Shot clock for 13 seconds. May tatlong referee dito sa black team. Ay, may tatlong coach. 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Turnover for the door. Porador running. Porador. Wala. Arlo. Secure the ball. Arlo. Turn around. Boarding shot is good. Mahirap daw yun. Pero pasok. Last 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Kailangan ng bola. Kailangan.
Porador saving it to Jet.
10 seconds.
Pagpapasahan sila. Si Kevin gusto tumira. Adi tumira. Binigay kay Wally. Wally. Block by Ferrer. Carlo attacking. Carlo. Nagpanggana naman sila ni Porador. Si Porador naman yung na-hurt. Na-hurt ang feelings o ang pa.
Felix.
Mukhang feelings lang.
Push foul.
Foul. Taas.
Go, Carlo!
Ay, white nga pala.
Wait ako.
Carlo.
Wait
Two
ako.
free throws. First free throw is good for Carlo. Second free throw is Reggie. The first Reggie for 4 seasons in Ivory Wood. Di kaya ni Billy. Ano tayo? Jump ball tayo dyan. So, kailangan palitan yung ano. JC getting the ball. JC attacking. JC fouled by Ernest. Fergie, kanina palabas pasok. Kevin, napuna naman. JC for 2 free throws. First free throw is good. Meron.
Sapa! Wala.
Second free throw. Second free throw is also good. 4-point ball game.
Kung ako sa inyo, mag-uubos ako ng oras eh. Yun. Pwede kayo mag-ubos ng oras eh.
10 seconds shot clock. Stolen by Arlo. Critical steal by Arlo. Giving it to Jay. Jay giving it back to Arlo. Arlo 2-point shot is good. Assist from Jay. 2-point ball game. 48 seconds with 60 seconds shot clock. Number 10 seconds.
Stop. Time out.
Isa pa kayo ah.
Rock, may isa pa kayong time out ha.
Both teams have one timeout each.
Turnover pa ba lang? Libre na ako sa trip. Tapos hindi yun. Advance po.
3-point ball game. 2-point ball game. 3-point ball game. Ayaw namin ng OT. Pag nag-OT, tagami yung MVP shot ko pa doon.
14 seconds ha.
14 second shot clock. The designated inbounder is Arlo. Arlo with Calvin. Calvin Mondina. 10 second shot clock. 8 second shot clock. 6 second shot clock. 2 second shot clock.
Umandar yung oras. Symbol tayo. Mga 2-3 seconds hindi ko malaw. Wait lang. Symbol tayo.
Tao lang.
Sorry, yung
Okay na. 17 seconds.
Okay na, we can start it. We can start it now. We can start it. Wala na tayong shot clock. Wala na tayong shot clock. Shot clock off.
No shot! No shot!
Paano ba yan, Jong? Paano ba yan, Jong? Mukhang magpapabridge ko. Jong. Mukhang magpapabridge ko. Hindi na kayo papasok lang ano eh. Hindi na kayo papasok lang. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Dapat di naman niyakap, wala na. Ilan dapat? Dalawa.
Out ka, pag ano.
Last free throw for number. Turn over for Carlo. Passing it to no man's land. Si Bini ko sabi niyo, si Bini. Kinakabahan si Sunny. Ay. Kinakabahan si Sunny. Kayo muna mag-usap dyan. Kayo muna mag-usap. Kayo muna mag-usap. Ay, sabi sa inyo, kayo na pa kayo proper decorum.
Tatime out na
Oh, technical bench. Yung proper decorum.
Isang free throw.
Technical ka nga eh. Hindi reklamo ka pa. Gusto mo maging dalawa.
Na-time out kayo?
Gamitin nyo ba?
Free throw. Magic.
First, dalawa!
Ilan big? Ilan big? Each, ilan big?
Dalawa! Ano, bastahan. Pasok. Shoot mo! Hey! Sabay!
Pag na-shoot, pwede mag-time out. Pag hindi na-shoot,
Alam mo, mas magandang din yun na-shoot.
Wala na, no?
Miss na, miss!
Nice shot! Hey!
nanganganib yung break-in. Mukhang magpapabreak si Jong.
Kahapon na lang.
Sino po marunong mag-break dito? Paki-break na si Jong. Magulo eh. Sino player? Mag-MVP points sa akin.
Yaya, babaan mo lang yan. Lower, ano lang yan.
Okay, taha. Player of the game. For the door. Kinain na.
Next Joe, 18 seconds. Minto ang bola. Ayaw eh. Good.
Si Podador, yung nananakit. Bigyan niya ng bola si Podador. Uy, Kevin, bigyan mo ng bola si Podador. Yan. Yan, subo mo, subo mo. Subo mo. Subo mo. Team picture, team picture. Team picture. Hoy, team picture. Uuwi na kami. Isa-isang camera, mahirap po yan. Na-experience ko na yan. Isa-isa lang muna. Mahirap pre, di mo lang sa titingin.
Harap.
Di pantay, wala kayo sa gitna. Pakipantay. Ang pangit sa picture niyan eh. Gilid. Gilid. To the right. My right. Isa-isang kuha.
Kompleto tong team na to ah.
Ay, sa pang picture. Jump shot. Parang nandidiri ka, Barde ah. Nandidiri ka ba, Barde? Ayaw mo compress eh. Jump shot.
Wala pa yun. Wala sa yun. Boy, go to daddy. Go na. Yeah, go to daddy. Oh, go.
One.
Go with your lollipop.
Wala na, natakpan na yung score.
Go.
Oh. Balik ka dito.
Sige, madam, ikaw na. One, two. Ito pa, 1, 2.
One more.
Ano oras ba?
Anak, tagaan mo ako sa tawasan niya. Ayaw na po eh. Tinabaan ko eh.